name is 임순. 안녕하세요. 저는 웅이하고 시연이 엄마입니다. 반갑습니다. Today I will make a Korean famous noodle, what we call japchae. 오늘 잡채를 한번 만들어 보겠습니다. 잘 봐주세요. 감사합니다. The first, I will marinate for these mushrooms and meat together. This is dried shiitake mushrooms, and then this one is dried black mushrooms. Yeah, you can find this kind of mushrooms from any Asian market, even like Harris Teeter, I think they do have it also. Actually, I soak these mushrooms like 2 hours before I start to make japchae, so it's already softened, very softened. Take it out, cut it out, slice like this. You can use your hands just like this, all be fine. I'm gonna use this beef today, but people they are vegetarian, then take it out this beef away. But some people like pork better, then you can put pork over here, not the beef. But anything you like to put it, that'll be fine. So slice, thin slices like this. Yeah, I'm going to mix together mushrooms and the meat because I'm gonna save the marinade in this one. 1 tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon, almost 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. Little bit of 참기름, the sesame oil. Mince it. This is my mommy's way. Oh, my mom always, she does like this. Then mix it together. I'll put this away. Put it right here. You should marinate like 20 minutes before. Or if you prepare like 1 day before, you can do it. And then marinate and then put to the refrigerator, like 1 day will be fine. But I'm gonna do it right here because I'm gonna use it later. Next, I'll make a spinach. The boiled water and then the pinch of salt put into the boiled water. Just 30 seconds. 25. 30. Squeeze this spinach hardly. I'm an old mom now, so it's hard to squeeze it. Ooh. Yeah, add oil, toast to coat very well for this spinach. Smells good. Smells so good. Put this one to the side. Next, I will separate this imitation crab meat. I remember when I was little, my mom, my mom bought it, the imitation crab meat one day, and then she put this one to the japchae. It was so delicious. It was. So still I'm using imitation crab meat to the japchae, make the japchae. So always, but you have to pick really good one. Taste really good one. Okay, just separate just like this, just few times. Next, I'm gonna cut this, slice this onions. Little bit thin slice. A pinch of salt. Next, I'm gonna slice this carrots. Leftover You can save for the fried rice, or you can have it just like this. It's delicious. We need to fry the carrots. I think it's ready. Just a little bit more. I brought the big bowl because why? I need to soak this noodle for a while. This noodles we call 당면, made from the sweet potato starch. You cannot break it, you cannot do anything. That's why I have to soak this one for a while. With warm water, like 30 minutes will be okay. If you use hot water, sometimes it's 10 minutes okay. Leave it here just like 20 to 30 minutes. Little bit. This is warmer than normal, so I think 20 minutes will be fine. Now I will make fried eggs, but I have to make it separate, like egg white and egg yolk. Because why? Japchae gonna be really pretty. The white and yellow on the top of japchae, it'll be prettier. Okay? No. Okay, fried egg, white and yellow, like a separate. It's really hard. So I have a really good tip. This is starch. This is potato starch. But some people, they don't have any potato starch at home. It'll be okay. Corn starch or any other starch, it will be fine. 1 spoon of potato starch. Pinch of salt also. Pinch of salt to the yolk. Of salt over here. Okay. Whisk well. Add egg white to the egg yolk. You have to use low heat. Okay, egg yolk. It looks easy to make it, but it's not. Egg white. Egg white. 예쁘게 되라, 예쁘게 되라. 예쁘게 되라, 예쁘게 되라. Don't make any brown color for this egg white. Just make it just white. 잘 들어, 잘 들어, 잘 들어. So nice. Wow. Slice this fried eggs. Together. And then one more time. And do it this way. Don't slice too thick. A little bit thin slice. Can you see this? Oh, this is ugly part. Next, you remember this one? I marinate already the mushrooms, black mushrooms, and then the stocky mushrooms, and then with the meat. I marinate already, so you have to fry this one. The grind pepper. Sesame oil. Now, finally, I'm gonna cook with this noodles. The texture is different than before. It was really hard to break, but this time it's already. But still, I need to cook for this one, but until its colors are changing, just like a little clear color. I'll put a little bit of salt, a little bit of soy sauce. Okay. Colors that change a little bit, but still I have to try. It's really chewy. Drain this cooked noodle. Hot. You be careful always in hot stuff. I'll dry out all the noodles. Oh, it's a lot of technique. If noodles are too long, then hard to eat it. So you have to cut. Fry this noodle for 2 minutes. It's so hot. Three spoons of sesame oil first. Noodles are really pretty brown color, but they have so many different kind of soy sauces. 진간장 like this, 산표 진간장. It makes colors like this. Next, I'll put all these ingredients to the noodles. And mushrooms and meat, carrots, spinach, crab meat. But I leave the egg a little late. Okay. 1 more spoon of sugar. More tablespoons of sesame oil, ground pepper, black pepper. Let me see it. Whoa! You have to mix it well. If you like to put different kind of a vegetable, like a bell pepper, any other greens or anything, chives or anything, you can use it for japchae. I'll give some sesame seed over here. Finally, I finished. I'm done. Make this japchae. So I want to try. Right. Oh, it smells so good. Smells so good. Chewy. Chewy, but still soft. I want to invite some people, but this time, COVID-19. So I'm so sad. This is so good. 묻었어? 응. 묻었으면 큰일 난다. 봐주셔서 고맙습니다. 여러분 즐거운 시간 되시고요. 좋은 일만 많이 있으시길 바랄게요. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my cooking. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.